morning students, hope you are fine. I am your teacher Hirali and today we are going to start with our grammar work and with our first two chapters, which are noun, proper noun and common noun. First we need to understand what are nouns. Nouns, as we know that nouns are naming words. You can see a lot of things around you. Everything in the world has a name. Either it can be common or it can be a special name. If you are sitting in a room, you can find different things around you and everything has a name. So examples can be any name. You can find in your classroom a board, a chair, a desk, a cupboard, a pencil, a sharpener, a notebook. These are all things. So these are names. Now we have three kinds of names. First is places. All the places has a name. So the words used to refer to the name of that place is called noun. Second, we have persons. Every person in the world has a name and that word is known as a noun. So third is things. All the things around you have also some names. So you call them with the words which are used as names and those words are known as nouns. But we have two types in nouns. First is common nouns. Common nouns are non-special names. It means these words can be used for a different group of people, for many people or for a majority of groups, for everyone. Like girl. Every girl is referred as a girl. This word is used to refer to the girls living in the world or in the worldwide. Okay? Second, every city is referred as a city and the word which is used for that specific place is called city, which is a noun. Then country, similarly, country is a common name, so it is a common noun. But opposite to that, we have proper noun. Proper nouns are special names which we cannot use for all the countries, all the cities or all the girls and boys. Like if girl is used for all the girls, Amna can only be one person or two persons or three persons. Amna can be a specific name for a specific person. So it's a special name. But this word is also a noun. It's a proper noun. Lahore is the name of a single city. So it's a special name. It's a proper noun. Pakistan is a country. It is a special name. It is a proper noun and it is only used for one country. Now open your grammar books and we will cover the topic according to your exercises. Now open your books, open page number 1 and our first unit is nouns. We have already discussed what noun is. Nouns are naming words. Let's read the definition first. Noun is the naming word that shows the name of a person, place, animal or a thing. Noun क्या है? Naming word. जो क्या शो करता है किसी पर्सन, किसी प्लेस, किसी एनिमल या किसी थिंग का नेम. लेट्स सी द एग्जांपल्स. नाउन्स. Ali is the name of a person, it's a noun. Lahore, name of a city, it's a noun. Cat, name of an animal, it's a noun. Pencil, name of a thing, it's a noun. Your first task is to look at this picture, find five things or five nouns from this picture and write the words down here. As these five words are already written here, you need to find your own five nouns from this picture and write it here. Like we have a boy here, so we have written it here as a boy, B-O-Y, boy. In the second blank, we found apples on this ground, so we wrote it here. Then we found sun or moon, sun, so we wrote moon. Then we found a tree and then we found a cat. After this task, you need to turn your pages and open page number 2. In the page number 2, the first task is complete the following sentences by using the nouns from the help box. You are given 5 words in this box. You need to use these words in filling these blanks. First is, what time does the dash tell? So we would know the time from clock. So we will write clock here. Second is turn on the dash. We have television here, we will write television. That is a nice dash on the desk. It's a decoration piece. A vase is a decoration piece in which we decorate flowers. So we'll write it here, which can be found on a desk. Wash your dash before eating anything. We should always wash our hands before eating anything. So we'll write hands here. Do not drink water from my dash. We have a bottle indicating that water can be in the bottle. So we will write bottle here. We are done with the task number 2. Now we need to move to the task number 3. The task number 3 is rewrite the definition of a noun. Don't look at the back page and then write. Learn the definition first from this page. Learn the definition by heart and then write it without looking at the previous words. You know the definition is noun is a naming word that shows the name of a person, animal or a thing. Person, place, animal or a thing. So you need to learn this definition first and then write. The next task is read the following table and clear the names of and color the names of the persons, circle the names of the places, underline the names of the things. We have a table here. We have different kinds of words. There are persons names, places names, things names. You need to color the persons names, circle the places names, underline the things names. Class is a place, we need to circle it. Gym is a place, circle it. Cup is a thing, for things we have underline option, so underline it. Entrance यानी जहाँ से हम enter होते हैं, it's a kind of place, so we'll circle it. Window, a thing, so we will underline it. Teacher and students are persons, and for persons we have the option of color, so color it with any color. Color this box with any color like this. Kitchen is a place, circle it. Shoes and marker are different things, so underline it. Principal again is a person, color it. Pencil, chair and page, these three are things, underline it. Nurse, a person, color it. Desk and eraser are different things, so underline it. Fireman, a person, color it. Bus and chalk, things, underline it. Notebook, a thing, underline it. Stage, a place, circle it. Hook, a thing, underline it. Driver and coach are persons, color it. With this task, we are done with our first unit. You need to do is to let's learn the spellings. Fulfill this task as well. Learn the spellings of these words. First is elephant, then sandwich, then desk, pizza, noodles, playground, window, television. So learn the spellings of these words. It can be helpful for you in future. Then move to the unit 2, which is proper nouns and common nouns. And as we have already discussed what are proper nouns and what are common nouns, now we will read the definitions. First is proper noun definition. A proper noun is the name of a special person, place or a thing. As I told you that it's a name of indicating a special person. Like we can't say that girl is the name of a girl, because girls can be referred to all the girls. A girl or a boy should have a specific name. So the examples are Jamil, Islamabad. Islamabad is the name of a city. August is the name of a month. Friday is the name of a day. So these all are special names. But you need to remember one more thing. Proper nouns start with a capital letter. Whenever you write the proper name of anything, any person, any animal or any place, you need to start it with a capital letter. Look at this. Jamil is started with a capital J. Islamabad is started with a capital I. August and Friday are both started with capital letters. So every proper noun, every special name is started with a capital letter. Now move to the common noun definition. A common noun is the name of a person, place or a thing that is not special. Proper noun, a special name. Common noun, not a special name, a word which can be used for a different group of things, for a majority of things. Common nouns do not start with capital letters. Like proper noun starts with capital letters, for common noun we do not add capital letter in front of the word, in the starting of the word. So common nouns are teacher. Teacher can be used to can be referred to any teacher. City can be used for any city, for any country. Dog is a different species and every dog will be called a dog. It's not a special word. So common nouns. We have a list of common nouns here and we have a list of proper nouns here. Common noun, rainbow. Rainbow doesn't have a special name. Whenever we will find a rainbow in the sky, it will be referred as a rainbow. So it's a common noun. Cat, a common noun. House, a common noun. Teddy bear, teacher, these are common nouns. But Minar-e-Pakistan is a specific place. It's a specific name of a specific place. It's a proper noun and it started with M, capital M. Quaid-e-Azam, a special name for a special person and started with a capital Q. Mr, the title, Mr, Mrs and Miss, these all are started with capital M and these are proper nouns. Noor is the name of a milking brand, so it will be started with a capital word, capital letter N and will be referred as proper noun. Now turn your pages for further exercises. The first is rewrite the definition of a proper noun. For this you need to learn the definitions first. Don't just write them here by seeing it from the previous page. Just learn the definitions first and then write it. A proper noun is the name of a special person, place or a thing. Then move to the second task, match the common nouns with the suitable proper noun. We have a list of common nouns here and we have a list of proper nouns here. You need to match the common noun indicating the proper noun here. Day, a name of a day is here Wednesday. Match it with it. Month is June. Country is Pakistan. City is here Lahore. Girl is here Alia. Province is here Punjab. Language is English. Boy's name is John. So match these common nouns with the proper nouns like I have told you. Now in the next task, write the names of the places. We have different pictures here of different places and we need to write the names of those places, and the names of those places will be considered as proper nouns. So you need to start the word with capital letter. First is Minar-e-Pakistan. Write the spellings M-I-N-A-R, Minar with capital M. Then make a small dash, E, then again small dash, and Pakistan again, it's a name of a country, so you will start with capital P. Next, it's called a pyramid, but it's a special pyramid. It's the largest one. So the name of this pyramid is the Great Pyramid. Start with the article the and start with the capital letter, then great, G-R-E-A-T, again G should be capital, and pyramid capital P-Y-R-A-M-I-D, pyramid. Next picture is Taj Mahal, which will be started with capital T, T-A-J, Taj, then give one finger space and write Mahal, M-A-H-A-L, Mahal. M should be capital. Then move to the next picture. It's China Wall. It's the longest wall in the world, which was created by the Chinese country to protect themselves. The name of this wall is China Wall. You will write China here with the capital C, then small H-I-N-A, give one finger space and write wall, capital W-A-L-L, wall. Then the last is Badshahi Masjid. So you will start with the capital B, then small A-D-S-H-A-H-I, Badshahi, then one finger space and Masjid, M, capital M, then small A-S-J-I-D, Masjid. We are done here, then move to the next page. We have another task, color the proper nouns and circle the common nouns. So nurse is a common noun. It can be referred to any nurse, circle it. School, any school, circle it. Allama Iqbal, a special person, color it. Japan, the name of a special country, color it. K2, mountain, and it's a name, so color it. Girl can be referred to any girl, circle it. Mother and park both are common nouns, circle it. Hunza, it's a name of a city, a name of an area, and it's a proper noun, so color it. Then last task is circle the right answer. Monday. We need to know whether it's a common noun or a proper noun, and we know it's a name of a day, so it's a proper noun. Circle the proper noun here. Country. Common noun or proper noun? Country can be referred to any country. It's not a name of a single country. It can be referred to any country. It's a common noun, so circle common noun. Pakistan, proper noun. Sana, proper noun. Park, it can be referred to any park, common noun. Day, common noun. Teacher, common noun. Circle these. China, China is the name of a country, so we need to circle proper noun. Street, street can be used for any street, it's a common name, it's a common noun. So you need to circle common noun like this. Kashmir Valley. Kashmir Valley is the name of a specific valley in a specific city. So it's a proper noun, it's a special name. So circle proper noun. So with this last task, we are done with the topic noun and proper nouns and common nouns. I hope you have understood what I have told you and you will learn it by heart, and you have a smaller task here as well. Learn these spellings for your help in creative writing as well. And with this, we will say our goodbye here. Hope you are enjoying your vacations and you are learning your work. Allah Hafiz.